Let's first heat the tawa about 3 minutes on medium heat. This modern Hawkins tawa is designed to heat up fast and retains heat well. Do not use high heat with this Hawkins tawa. Use medium heat, you will make rotis fast. On this tawa, high heat will make rotis stick and burn. So remember, do not use high heat. Now let's get our first roti ready. For this 26 cm Hawkins tawa, we recommend roti of 18 cm or 7 inches diameter. Small bubble-like bumps will start to appear on the roti in about 30 seconds. This is your signal to turn the roti over. Cook the second side till brown specks appear on it, which should take about 30 to 45 seconds. Press edges of the roti with the folded kitchen cloth till roti puffs up or till you get your desired brownness. After you have finished making all rotis, turn off the heat. Wipe off flour or oil remaining on the tawa immediately with the help of a paper or cloth. And that's how you make perfect rotis on Hawkins Tri-Ply stainless steel tawa.